So hello everyone, this is Margarita and welcome to my channel, Margarita Random Mix Vlogs! So my presentation for today is another unboxing, an online order I just did yesterday. And hindi siya na-deliver kaagad kasi si driver is nakabalik dun sa store nila. And when he checked my location, na pagde-delivery niya is almost an hour bago niya may deliver sa akin. So I suggested na kung okay lang is tomorrow niya i-deliver. So at 12 this afternoon, na i-deliver naman niya. So, ito yung aking i-unbox for today. Yan. This is another phone which I just got curious, out of curiosity. Binili ko siya. Yan. Pero pinag-isipan ko muna siyang mabuti bago ko bilhin. Kasi I've never heard this phone before, this brand. Ngayon lang siya. Siguro late November, papasok ng December, nang marinig ko yung brand name niya. So, guys, samahan niyo akong i-unbox ito. Yan. Kitang-kita nyo yan. Ito yung shop na pinagbilihan ko, pinag-orderan ko. Yan. Trusted seller here in Riyadh. She's a legit gold seller. Anything under the sun, yan, na gusto ninyong bilhin. From clothes, shoes, gadgets, at saka yung mga mahilig mag-invest ng golds. Yan, legit po yan, si Ma'am Isabel. So guys, samahan niyo po akong i-unbox ito. At itatry din natin ito, just like how I've tried the Honor X5B na binili namin mag-asawa last year. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung mas okay ba tong cheap phone na to. Worth it ba siya? So, tara na! Let's open this one! Yan. So, buksan na natin. So, ayun nga. Kahapon ko in order yan dito kay Ma'am Isabel. Yan. Nabili ko lang siya for a cheap price of 280 riyals plus 25 riyals delivery charge. So, actually, this phone really amazed me kasi base dun sa mga advertisements na nakikita ko. This phone has 24 GB RAM and a 1 terabyte ROM. So, napakalaki ng storage niya kung tutusin. So, this is an AirTag. This is AirTag 17 Pro Max with an octa-core processor, HD plus screen, 24 GB RAM and 1 terabyte ROM memory, with a 30 MP rear camera plus 13 MP front camera. Yan. Base din sa kanila, screen with Dynamics Island. And it is also 5G. Yan. And they have various colors available in orange, blue, black, and silver. And so I choose blue. Yan. For this thing. So this is made in China, guys. And this brand is commonly now, minamarket siya all over the Middle East. So, hindi ko lang alam kasi kung like ba ng brand ng ibang phone ay reliable din siya. But I will test it dahil kailangan kong magpalit ng aking main phone. Sa ngayon dahil ang aking main phone na Samsung A51 ay talagang kailangan na niyang palitan dahil mabagal na siya. Yan. So, guys, let's open. So, okay. So this one is a free jelly case, yan. Together with a mobile manual. Ito po yung kanyang jelly case. Yan. So kung mapapansin ninyo, na-curious ako dito kasi stylish siya. Stylish siya kasi yan, this one is the pin ejector para sa lalagyan ng SIM card. Ito ko na yan buburdiin. And this is the new phone. Tapos it comes with a Type-C, both sides na charging cord. Yan, wala po siyang kasama na pinakang charger socket. So this is the main phone itself. And then, ang cute niya kasi kung mapapansin niyo, para na rin siyang yung style niya is yung bagong labas ngayon na iPhone 17. So, doon ako na-curious kasi ako talaga ay hindi naman ako makika, hindi rin ako madot-dot. Yan. So, yan. So, yan. So, let's open it. Cool. Yeah. So, isin muna natin yung kanyang. So, backcam ko muna siya. Para makita natin. So, ayan na nga. So, meron na siyang pre-install na Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Zoom, Instagram, TikTok, kanyang, ayan, kailang Play Store. Okay. So, kapain pa natin siya mamaya. So, studying. Ayan, let's check the camera. So guys, let's check the camera. So let's check the picture na kinuha na natin. Yan. Zoom. So, okay. Ito yung una kong kuha yan, blurred. So ito yung medyo naka... And so yun nga guys, I just finished unboxing my new mobile phone, which is the AirTab 17 Pro Max with a 10.1 FHD screen display and a 24 GB RAM / 1 terabyte ROM for memory storage. Yan. So, marami-rami ng videos, pictures, and applications ang pwede kong mailagay dito. So, maybe I will test this for 2 to 3 months and then give a review kung ano ba, kung worth it ba yung price niya na 280 reals na pagkakabili ko. And sasabay ko na rin sa review yung aking nabiling Honor X5B yan, last year. Yan. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa pagsama sa akin sa pag-unbox nito. Yan. And hopefully, all of you are safe right now. Lalo na ngayon, medyo winter pa sa ibang parte ng mundo, kung nasaan man kayo. Yan. Keep warm, guys. Yan. So, thank you so much. Keep safe, everyone. God bless you all. I love you. Mwah.
If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger in a walls they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun.